All right, guys, here we go with week 5 of July 2026 Crafty giveaway. Yes, there are 5 weeks this month. I still think it's odd, even though it's been happening for many years. Anyways, so this week we have 9 entries. Not too bad. I think we need to get the word out that we are back to doing giveaways, but that just means that the odds are more in your favor. So again, 9 entries. If you entered this week, you should see your name on the wheel. If you do not remember what I'm giving away, you can go back and look at the video that I uploaded on Sunday, just this past Sunday. Sometime within that video, I show what I will be giving away. And of course, if the wheel stops on your name, you will win this week's Crafty giveaway bundle. So here we go, guys. We're going to spin the wheel, and good luck to you all. All right, who's it gonna be? So excited. Angie, if I'm saying that correctly. Angie Bowles, B-O-L-Z-E, Bowles. Angie Bowles. Please forgive me if I butchered that. Correct me in the comments if you need to. But congratulations, Angie. You have won this week's Crafty giveaway. So in order to claim your prize, go ahead and email me. My email address is in the description below. Make sure that you email me your full name and the address in which you want me to send your winnings to. So congratulations again, Angie, and thank you all so much as always for entering this week's Crafty giveaway. Make sure you return on Sunday to see what I will be giving away for next week's Crafty giveaway. Congrats again, Angie, and thank you all so much, and I hope you are all having an amazing day.